There's water all the way from the bottom balcony of building C, stretching all the way over there, and possibly even further. That's probably a good 3 feet deep, right in the middle. It's a lot worse than the still picture I took. I didn't even know about this. And the water's still coming down off the roof. That's pretty nasty. And I got a feeling this will probably be drained in about 8 hours. Maybe longer. Since the manhole that's right in the middle is actually plugged. And it has been like that for the last 5-6 years. They usually have a pump truck come and suck out the water, but they still haven't fixed it. The sidewalk's completely underwater there. And it's stretching over here too. They said they fixed this roof about 4 or 5 years ago. Apparently it still holds water.